Did you know Eastern Applied began as an XRF service company? So we understand what it takes to provide timely field response and cost-effective support. Our technicians are regionally located, and they're trained by our experienced headquarters team to provide certification and repairs on a broad range of makes and models.
Being your one-stop XRF resource means giving you access to an in-house standards laboratory that is accredited to ISO IEC 17025. We offer efficient recertification services and manufacture new standards for most XRF analyzers. We don't outsource these services, so you always work directly with an Eastern Applied Laboratory associate to meet all your needs with fast turnarounds and competitive pricing.